Hey guys, welcome back. It's Morgan from Morganic Essentials, and today we're making a quick and easy sushi bowl. I'm gonna show you how to actually make a Sriracha spicy mayo from scratch. And it's gonna be really clean, no seed oils, honestly really quick. You probably have a couple of these in your fridge already. So this is how I like to make my spicy mayo. We've got some avocado oil mayo. Then I've got some Sriracha. Put as much of it as you want. I like it a little spicy. I have a little bit of apple cider vinegar, or you could use rice vinegar if you have it, but I don't right now, but this works really well. Add a little probiotics, okay? And a little bit of sea salt and garlic powder also. Honestly, that's a good drizzle right there. Sometimes it's a little thicker. And this is definitely one where you want to season to taste. Let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit more sea salt, a little bit more garlic powder too. But I think it has enough kick with the Sriracha and it has enough mayo for what we need today. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's done. All right, so now we're gonna move on to building our bowl, okay? We're gonna start with a layer of the toasted quinoa, or you could use rice if you want, but I wanted to add some more fiber. So this is gonna keep me full for longer, so that's why I'm doing quinoa. So this is basically your rice substitute. So next, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of the tuna, and then we'll top with the fresh veggies. Lots of protein. Guys, this is low calorie too, by the way, while still being high protein and high fiber. Okay, so next what we are going to do is add in a layer of shaved carrots. Okay, so then we've got some organic coconut aminos. I like to use this in place of soy sauce. As someone with uterine fibroids, I just like to kind of minimize my soy to not mess with my estrogen levels and raise them too much. So this is a good substitute and it doesn't have as much sodium. So we are gonna add a drizzle of our organic coconut aminos. I ordered this off of Thrive and they have a really good one because it's only got a few ingredients. It's really clean. Now I am going to drizzle with our spicy mayo. That looks so good. All right, so next I'm gonna top with some avocado. This is one whole avocado. I'm gonna use about half of it. All right, and then we're gonna make it cute with cucumber on the side. Just kind of add it over here. Can't forget the seaweed wraps. I'm gonna add a topping of sesame seeds. Look how pretty this is too. And you can actually see all the layers. Now we're gonna taste it. 3, 2, 1. One of my favorite parts is the crunch from the toasted quinoa. It just adds a nice little texture. And then also the seaweed gives it a nice texture and the crunch from the cucumbers. That's it. That's literally it. Quick and easy sushi bowl. Tastes great, high fiber, high protein, low calorie, and like honestly so easy. The prep time took such little time. So check out our next video up here or up here. Thanks for sticking around. If you like what you see, like and subscribe for more recipes like this.